In 1976, a journey began. The morning sun spills its golden light across the earth, the setup year where dreams took form. By 1997, we reached beyond our shores, planting roots in Mexico, our first step into a wider world. In 1999, we joined the ASE family, a union of strength, a bond that shaped our future. 2012, we listed on Shanghai Stock Exchange with confidence in our stride. In 2020 and 2023, new partners joined our ranks, marking a new chapter of growth. From Asia's cradle to the world's embrace. We stand firm in diverse market domains, not only crafting cutting-edge technology, but also shape lives. Rooted in the present, we envision the future. Uplifting people. Connecting people. And inspiring the world. Today, 50 years on, USI shines as a top name in DMS and SIP business. Each step, a new chapter. Each decade, a promise kept. 50 years of vision, 50 years of belief, 50 years of shining on greatness.